Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to you, all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You are welcome to this wonderful family. To all my OGs, thank you for coming back to always support me. So, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious curry goat sauce. So without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead now to introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, these are the things I'll be using to prepare this curry goat sauce. I have my goat meat here already washed. I'm using the male goat because it cooks faster. I have my green and red scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and I have my carrot too. I have my Irish potato. So now I will go ahead to roughly blend my pepper, ginger, garlic and my onions. And then to my meat, I'll be going in with my curry powder. I'll be adding in my rosemary leaf. I will go in with my thyme. I'll add in oregano. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'll go in with my pepper mix now. I'll be adding in vegetable oil. And then I'm going to mix this properly. Okay, I'm going to combine everything together. And this is what we have. So right now we'll start making our sauce. In a clean pot, I'm going to be adding in my vegetable oil, a clean and dried pot. Okay, and then I'll add in my marinated meat. I'm going to be stir frying this for some minutes. So now I'll be adding in water enough for my sauce, and then I will go in with my Irish potato. I'm going to be adding more curry powder to this now. I'll be adding in salt, and then I'm going to stir everything properly to combine. I'm going to cover the pot now, and then I'll allow this to cook, okay? Our meat is cooked now. I'll be going in with my carrots. You can cut your carrots any shape that you want, okay? I'm going to stir this, allow to cook for 2 minutes because I don't want to overcook the carrots. And then I'll be going in with my spring onions. At this point, guys, our sauce is ready. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. For you to watch up to now, it means you are enjoying the video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know too in the comment section. So guys, at this point I'm going to turn off the heat because our sauce is ready. And guys, this is what we have. Our curry goat meat sauce is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you be trying out this recipe? Like this video if you have not liked the video, subscribe, share this video to your friends, share to your family members, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.